Etegear Women's Entrepreneur Circle launched and open, ready for use, ready for saving. Let it be a saving circle, not a credit circle. Yeah, first I encourage you.
Esako lode beiti Angor Eitosom koutaza mono ikeche sirigin kotoma nesda Etegear kotoma da o district loko kalaki. Emily Akulo na dera Deputy Executive Director na National Women Council ngesta buora pejono Napolon kanuka da Etegear aina peta nukada Esako kalong.
We'll continue to advocate for programs that bring money in the hands of women. We are advocating for a money economy. We want women involved in economic activities so that even when programs like circles are here, they are able to happily save because the money is there. You can't save what you don't have. So for us, the Women's Council, our work is to advocate for more and more resources towards women and economic empowerment.
Nade gwekinit Angor noko district loko kalaki kotom na rabet na kapolon Jennifer Ayo kwa penada istete uni kedais geun aina peta nuke Sako kalo ngesta buko limda ebe ada unges airupain imiloni itomaka nukada Angor ageun aitosom.
I have supported them with 10 million shillings, and this money is meant to support them start up with the office space, with the furniture, with opening of the account, and then the money that can keep the account active. I'm encouraging them to keep saving because as their leader, I'm looking at lobbying. First, we are going to call for fundraising to see that we put some more money that the women can be borrowing. We have like 105 women associations that I supported to register across the district in their sub-counties. And every woman is encouraged to be part of it. More so now that government is looking at women who are working together.
Naadera polene cholong lokade Esako kalo Betty Amuso ngesda buko limda ebe.
Have received 10 million shillings from our MP. What we are going to do with our money is to give our women from down to grow up their business they have.
The circle will make the women to grow very strong. Our families will improve. We are going to educate our children.
According to the circle, we have to make sure our circle, we must develop our circle by savings and giving loans out to our people.
Esako loda estige untai kanuka da ingara in Angor nesda ber kwane jatar ke di grupu nude dolte akwatata ke da ikang konya iningo stine polo na da salto remember loke Sako kalo nesda rai kanuka nyunda ebe dara unete Esako lo tete ke into polo unete kojokan komame wo etotun loki kamnar ke da kirono ki sirigin kotoma. Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokalaki District.